Love is in the air. This Valentine's Day, we've prepared a special set of love-themed words, phrases, and idioms. Today, you'll explore the first part. Practice what you learn, and scan the QR code at the end of the video for the Quizlet link with even more practice. Let's get started. Couple. Two people who are married or in a romantic relationship. Example. We sit in our armchairs watching TV like an old married couple. Girlfriend. A girl or woman with whom a man has a romantic relationship. Example. I'm taking my girlfriend to the movies tonight. Boyfriend. A boy or man with whom a girl or woman has a romantic relationship. Example. My boyfriend surprised me with flowers. Gift. Present. Something that you give to someone, usually on a special occasion. Example. He bought her a beautiful necklace as a gift. Date. An occasion when you go out socially with someone you have a romantic interest in. Example. We went on a date to a fancy restaurant. Love. A strong feeling of affection for someone. Example. I love spending time with him. Relationship. A close romantic friendship between two people, often a sexual one. Example. They have a strong and healthy relationship. Single. Not married or not having a romantic relationship with someone. Example. He's been single for so long now, I don't think he'll ever marry. Hug. To put your arms around someone and hold them tightly. Example. He gave her a warm hug. Kiss. To touch someone with your lips as a sign of love or affection. Example. They shared a passionate kiss. Card. A piece of stiff paper or thin cardboard. Example. He sent her a birthday card. Love letter. A letter expressing love to someone. Example. He wrote her a beautiful love letter. Sweetheart. A person that you love. Example. I love you, sweetheart, he said. Marriage. A legally accepted relationship between two people in which they live together, or the official ceremony that results in this. Example. They had a long and happy marriage. Attraction. The feeling of liking someone or being sexually interested in them. Example. I felt an instant attraction to her. Crush. Someone who you like a lot romantically, usually someone that you do not have a relationship with, or not a serious relationship. Example. It hurts so bad when you can't be with your crush. Engagement. An agreement to marry someone. Example. They announced their engagement. Ring. A circular piece of jewelry worn especially on your finger. Example. He bought her a diamond ring. Honeymoon. A holiday taken by a couple immediately after their marriage. Example. They went on a romantic honeymoon to Italy. Flirt. To behave in a way that shows that you are sexually attracted to someone, but in a playful way. Example. They were flirting with each other at the party. Blush. To become red in the face from embarrassment or shame. Example. She blushed when he complimented her. Butterflies in the stomach. A feeling of being nervous or excited, especially before something important. Example. I get butterflies in my stomach before every date. Ask out. To invite someone on a date. Example. He finally asked her out. Break up. To end a relationship. Example. They decided to break up after a long argument. Proposal. An offer of marriage. Example. He made a romantic proposal. Wedding. A marriage ceremony. Example. They had a beautiful wedding. Get married. To become husband and wife. Example. Chris and Debbie got married last summer. Bouquet. A bunch of flowers. Example. He gave her a bouquet of roses. Broken heart. A feeling of great sadness, especially when someone you love dies or does not love you. Example. It takes years, maybe a lifetime, to heal a broken heart. Jewelry. Decorative objects worn on your body, such as rings, necklaces, etc. Example. He bought her some beautiful jewelry. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay with us on this learning adventure. We truly value our amazing community. Speak Pro Team.